Exercise 6.1, question number 6. Find the equation of the locus of a point such that the sum of the squares of the distance from the points is equal to 20. This is a question. So they are given 2 points P and 2 points are given. So let us take one point as this is A, the point A, and this is point B. Just you can take it like this. A is the point 3, 5, and this is the point 1, 1, 1, minus 1, and the sum of the squares of the distance from the points is equal to 20. So we have taken another point P, which is equal to these 2 points. Likewise we can take, so this point is P, and we can take this the point as H, K. This the point is lies in the locus of the point. So P of H, K be the point which lies on the locus. So P represents the point H, K, and A represents 3, 5, and B represents the point 1, minus 1. So what is given in the question? The distance from the points from the point P, which is equal to sum of the squares of the distance is equal to 20. So we can take the distance from A, that is PA square plus PB square is equal to 20. So sum of the squares of the distance. So distance formula we know already. So once again we can write distance from the points x1, y1 to x2, y2. The formula is root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. We have used in the last question also the same formula, distance formula. So here you see, here what they are given the distance between the points P, that is PA square plus PB square is equal to 20. It is given here. So which implies, what is PA? PA means distance from these 2 points. So H, we can use the formula. So H minus 3 the whole square plus K minus 5 the whole square plus PB square. Just you apply the formula for these two. H minus 1 the whole square plus K minus of minus 1, that is K plus 1 the whole square is equal to 20. So just we have applied the formula value of the these two PA, PB in this equation. PA square plus PB square is equal to 20. Just we have substituted. Now we are going to simplify this. So which implies H minus A the whole square, A minus B the whole square formula we have to expand. So H square minus 2AB, 2 into 3 into H. So minus 6H plus B square, that is 3 square is 9, plus K minus 5 the whole square. So K square minus 10K plus 25 is the expansion of K minus 5 the whole square. Next you expand this one, H minus 1 the whole square. So H square minus 2H plus 1 plus K square plus 2K plus 1 is equal to 20. So just we have added, expanded all the 4 expansions like this. Now we are going to add the corresponding terms. So H square plus H square becomes 2H square. Here minus 8H plus 10 plus 2K square minus 8K plus 26 is equal to 20. Just we added the corresponding terms. So which implies 2H square plus 2K square minus 8H minus 8K equal to 20 minus, you can add these and this, 10 plus 26 is 36, so minus 36, which implies, which is equal to minus 16. So just we can divide it by 2, so which implies H square plus K square, because 2 is common in for all the terms, so we can divide it by 2. So H square plus K square minus 4H minus 4K is equal to minus 8. So just we can replace it by x and y, h and k by x and y. So we will get the equation of the locus. So replace it by x and y. So x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the locus of the point